A warm welcome to AW Services YouTube channel. Today's video is just a bit of a, I won't say it's a hack, but a bit of a modification. So I do a lot of jobs where I'm cleaning windows at the back of terrace houses, and I'm having to pull my hose and take my brush and pole through the house, through the hallway, and the water drips. So all I've done, because I'm a man with a sewing machine, I've got a Poundland, which was a set of 4 travel bags, and this is a travel laundry bag. Originally it was a top opening stuff sack, but I wanted some fabric that was waterproof. So all I've done, I've taken it up, turned it inside out, I've pulled the hem out of the longest stitch along the side, I've closed up the original top where the hem and drawcord was, and I've sewn the hem through that, put some very high quality elastic in there, and I've now made myself what I call a brush buddy. It's almost like a shower cap for water-fed pole brushes. Simply hooks over the top of my brush, easy to take it on and off, waterproof Oxford material, 600D Oxford material. But yes, my brush buddy works really well for taking your pole through houses so you're not dripping and trailing water. But I took about 5 minutes to make that on my sewing machine. Yes, you heard correctly, Austin has a sewing machine. But yes, little things that you can do: recycle, reuse, re-innovate and repurpose items. I thought I'd share that with you all. Anyway, have a fantastic week. Thanks for watching. Massive support on the channel by all of you. Keep subscribing, hit the bell icon for notifications on new videos, and stay tuned for more content. Thank you very much.